Rain. Hi. How are you? Yeah, it's okay. What is your name?
My name is Rain.
Rain.
Yeah,
Such a beautiful name.
thank you.
Okay, Rain, can you say how we met?
Oh, we just met where they just came to approach me while I was working in this park, and then they just asked for an interview
Hmm.
about this
And
hunting.
you said yes,
So
right?
yeah, I said
And do you remember what was the subject of the interview?
about the food reading psychological project.
Wow. So you remember. And the reflexology, right?
Oh yeah,
Yeah. Do you have any idea what's the reflexology?
haven't yet. I just heard it just now, and
Uh-huh.
have no idea what this reflexology is.
You don't have?
I just gonna think.
Because I think you were Google it, right?
Oh, just about therapy,
Uh-huh.
about food therapy.
Yeah, it's kind of like a therapy related to your food because all of your parts in the body connected to your food. So they can just massage some specific part to cure that part of your body, right?
Yeah.
Okay, let me just fix the camera. Okay, and um, what do you think about mental health issues? Do you have any mental health issue?
Lately at work, I've been stressed
Uh-huh.
because of also tasks, and now I am working, having a two jobs,
Yeah.
and that's been really more stressful. Well,
Okay.
it's given at work.
So it's quite normal. I think everyone dealing with the stress at work, so it's quite normal. Yeah, you can't call it an issue, I guess. And what do you think about food in general? About food. What do you think about food in general?
Pardon?
Your feet. What do you think about feet? Like when you hear the word feet, what's the first thing comes to your mind?
I think they were just judging how beautiful or small your feet is. I don't know.
Did the people are judging?
Yeah, they can say, oh, you have a small feet. Yeah, it's suits you because you're a small too.
So have you ever got any compliment about your feet?
Why?
Any compliment on your feet? Someone said good things
They
or
will just say it's cute.
you heard it?
Yeah,
Uh,
and just easy my size,
so
size.
it usually happens to you. Usually you get good compliment about your feet.
Yeah,
Oh,
always.
is it more from girls or from boys?
Both actually.
Both. Which one do you prefer, from girl or from boy?
Where, well, for the girl, I don't know, they just saying it. But for guys, they were actually honest about the
Oh,
compliment or the comment.
okay. So you think the guys are more honest?
Yeah, I think so.
Okay. And what is your foot size?
6.
6. So you have a small feet.
Yeah, actually.
But do you think you have beautiful feet?
Not actually.
No. And what is your height?
5'1".
5'1". So it's quite normal for you, but it's still small. The 6
Yeah,
is
it's
still
so
small.
tiny.
Yeah, they're really tiny. So you don't like your feet?
I do, of course.
You do. Okay. What is your favorite type of shoes?
I
Like
prefer
do,
actually both heels and rubber shoes.
heels and rubber shoes?
I can wear both of them.
You're not into sneakers or sandals or flat shoes?
Yeah, I just like this both.
Oh, okay. So
Depends on my attire or my outfit.
I can see you wearing high heels today also. So you usually wear high heels?
Yeah, at work.
At work you wear high heels?
Yeah, I'm wearing
Okay. And have you ever heard anything about the foot reading?
it. Food what?
Foot reading?
Food? Yeah, I already heard it.
You heard it?
Yeah, so
That they can read some from your foot, right?
yeah, just like in a video.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
It's kind of weird because I don't know how they will read some their food by just looking at it.
Yeah, I explained to you already some of it. It's actually has so much history and it's based on the shapes of your feet, the shape of toes, and also the lines on your feet soles, like the paw. Yeah, and it's really proof. It has so much research and the books about it, as I showed you already. And it had so much history, like 5,000 years, right? Okay. And there is a professor in UK. You already know about it, right? Yeah. I think I already explained for you about the food reading, right? Yeah, yeah. And so I asked about we talked about reflexology and all the questions. So after all of that, can we see your feet now?
Oh, is it really?
Yeah, it's part of the interview. Of
Sure.
course, we can just
It's just
leave.
a small bit.
Yeah, yeah, I know. It's okay.
No, dirty. You can see here it's a small thing.
Yeah. Can you just remove your shoes?
Oh, it's not safe.
Yeah,
So I have to remove my shoes.
yeah. You can just remove one if you want.
Ouch. Wait. So hard. There.
Okay, let me get the top. Can you just line your feet like this? Just like this. Yeah, yeah. You can sit maybe. Yeah, are you comfortable? Oh
I
no.
will find
Sorry, I
the
just
little.
fixed my. Okay, I think the light isn't good here, so maybe we can just. Uh, Let me check with the light. Oh my god. I think it's still better, but not that good. Let me just try to fix this. But you have really beautiful feet. You have a beautiful feet. Yeah, your toes so good, and it's. I think the second one, still your big toe is taller, right? It's like this. So it's Egyptian actually, or maybe a little Greek, because this one can still be longer. Yeah, but you have very beautiful feet because of the shape, because of the arch. You have almost very good arch. And is it easy for you to wiggle your toes? You don't have any hard time? No, it's good. Let me just get from the side. Yeah, you really have beautiful feet.
Just a tiny one.
And you said you already got compliment on your feet. I think that's why, because it's really beautiful. But still, Can you let's just change the angle? Maybe we can get a better shot. We can maybe turn it off. Can you sit this side? Maybe that we use
So
this
I have
light.
to remove my shoes again.
Yeah. It's okay.
Why did I?
Understand what's
Actually, my
wrong.
boss, he always say that my feet is still.
Really, your boss?
Yeah.
Okay. That's why you said you received compliments on your feet before. Because you really have beautiful feet. Okay, we are going to a better place with a better light to continue the interview. I'm so thankful. What happened? Okay, we are going to continue the interview here with a better light.
This one, right?
You can sit like
Yeah. It's dirty now.
it's like can I take the top?
You really like it right now?
Yeah.
Really?
Although the light isn't good because your feet is kind of the hard one to read. Your shape is not. Oh, are you ticklish? You're ticklish.
Ah!
Okay.
It's been a hard thing here. Yes, I always fall.
Yeah.
It's like hard.
Check this one. So sound like this. Yeah, yeah. I think this one is a little bigger. What do you think? Or this one?
Is
Yeah. Which one? This one? This is the right one, right? So you're more professional. Yeah. Huh? This one? Okay. Can you? Okay.
Foot reading means going beyond just seeing the feet in front of us. It is about looking at them carefully and knowing how to interpret what their appearance is telling us about the holistic health and well being of our clients. But despite the wealth of information the appearance of the reflexes gives us, the subject has never really been given the attention it deserves by the profession as a whole. This is a great pity because knowing how to read a client's health on their feet is one of the most useful skills we can possess. It gives us so much more information than simply using our sense of touch alone, and if we don't know how to foot read, we are not giving the best possible treatment to our clients. Analyzing every aspect of the feet.
Let me just finish the interview. Okay. Is it okay? Okay. Thank you so much for coming down here. We continue the interview here. Okay. At the end, what do you think about this interview? You don't know?
feels weird for me.
Feels weird. But how do you rate this interview from 1 to 10?
5.
5? Oh my god. Maybe just because we forced to transfer and it was us. Yeah.
It is 7.
7. Okay, thank you. It's better. And how you rate my approach?
The one then
Yes.
it's 10 because you were really up for me.
10? Thank you so much. You still keep your shoes. Okay, this is Rain, and we had a very good interview. Thank you so much. Do you have any suggestion at the end? Anything for me? No? Okay. Thank you so much. Bye.